So you've set up your business, you have your authorities, your bond and your insurance, your office is set up, and you're subscribed to load boards. So now what? Well, now it's time to get your customers. Your customers are any manufacturing plant. Now you may want to stick to a certain area or region or even a specific kind of freight. You are going to need a few things. Number one, a cold calling strip. Number two, you're going to need a freight broker package with insurance and authorities. Number three, you're going to need follow-up templates. Now in my freight broker course, we go over all the resources in detail and put them into action. You will even see me cold calling manufacturing plants as I explain the process. We go over the customer relationship management tools that we use and explain how it is used to better your workflow and how to actually close a customer. There are also a lot of tips and tricks on how to build your prospect list. So if you are interested, it is all available in our full course. Now you better start getting used to rejections, because when you're gonna call these manufacturing companies, you're gonna get a lot of sorry, we're not interested, we already have freight brokers, we only accept asset-based carriers, and 1,000,001 other excuses on why they will not work with you. But don't worry, I cover all of this in my full freight broker course.